You get a massage, stretch, put medicine on your back, and the pain continues. The solution for your lower back might be in this joint. In this video, I want to show you step by step how to unlock this joint at home in an easy and safe way. And best of all, you'll see that you don't need to be young, thin, or very flexible to do these exercises and relieve your spine. I loved it. This is the sacroiliac joint. It's the connection between the legs and the spine. When we restore good movement to this joint, both the spine and the legs feel more relieved, lighter, and work better. Even though Sacroiliac has little movement, there are several studies that show its importance for the spine and the legs, showing that when this joint gets stuck or blocked, it makes it easier for pain to, and even injuries, and that improving this joint can even increase the speed and power of a kick in soccer players. The first step for us to unlock this joint and improve your body's function is this. You will lie on your back with your legs straight, and you will need a ball, a cushion. Place that pillow or ball between your ankles, and in this position, relax, just relax. Squeeze the pillow, count to 5, and relax. You will repeat this 3 times. If you feel pain in your knee or here, near your groin, you can do the same thing with the pillow or ball between your knee. Squeeze, count to 5, and relax. It's pretty good. The second step will act directly on the sacroiliac joint. Here the goal is to create space, as if we were opening both joints, the right and the left. At the same time, stay lying on your back. Now with your legs bent, and you will use a belt. Put this belt over your knees, about this height. Here you can use a pillow, no problem. Snash. In this position, you will push your butt into the mattress. Don't let your butt lift up, okay? Don't tuck your tailbone under. Keep your butt pressed into the mattress, and you're gonna push your knees apart as if you were stretching the belt. Push only as far as feels comfortable. Count to 5 seconds, and relax. Also, repeat this 3 times. When we apply the force, we use the strength of the muscles to open the sacroiliac joints on both sides at the same time. Phenomenal! Now we are going to align the right side and the left side. For your spine, this is the part. It's the most important step because it will relieve your back when you walk, when you run, when you go upstairs, when you cycle, and even when you sit. I try to make practical videos straight to the point, but I have to explain what we are doing. Don't worry, because at the end of this video, I'll give you this whole sequence as a gift, without explanation, without cuts, just so you can hit play and do the exercises with me. Deal? Sit sideways, closer to the edge of the couch or chair. The side that's off the chair, right? The side of your butt that's off the chair, you're gonna move that leg back until you feel a stretch in the front of your thigh, in the front of your hip. Remember, it's about stretching without pain, okay? It's that feeling of stretching, like when you wake up in the morning and stretch. You feel the stretch, but it's pleasant. In this position, you're going to push both feet against the floor, as if you were going to stand up, lifting your butt just a centimeter off the couch or chair. Okay. Push again, count to 5, and relax. You're going to do this 3 times on each side. From the very first time you do it, your back already feels much more relieved. But if you do this every day, you'll get much longer lasting relief. The next step is for you to learn how to decompress your spine. I've already shown how to do this in this video here, and here's the whole sequence in order for you to hit play and do the exercises along with me. You won't find this video on the channel. You can only access it here. It's a gift for you. If I was able to help you, you know what to do. Share this video with someone who has lower back pain or any spine problem. Use this video to help those who need it. That's it for now. Big hug, and see you next time.